final exams, which is next week. And I have a lot of to-do list. And yun na nakumpaman ako mga backlogs, especially sa mga studyhanan. Nadaghan kayo siya since may kompre kami, you know. And yeah, so ayan. Super katulgon pa kayo ko. Nakulong ako ng bags. Pero meron pa kayo pa sa kamaturan. So need na natin mag-study. So bye guys, let's start. So hello guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday, December 5 and super haggard na ako kay kanina na late ko sa class. Sa online class kay na-cancel na po siya tungkol sa mga linaw, you know. So asynchronous lang mi karon and nami case presentation sa mo ang CHN. So nag-run through mi karon 9:30 and all. So yaw ko na. Pero okay na siya guys. So bye.
So good morning everyone, I am Caitlin Tikanumay from Group 1. So now for the age and sex rate. The table shows here the age and sex rate of the people situated in Puro. Out of the total population of 1,236, the range that got the greatest count is of ages 25 to 35 years old, taking 17.23%, while the ranges with the least count are the ages 0 to 12 or the infants that took only 1.38% of the total population. On the gender factor, 51.86% of the population is of male gender. So now, as shown in the table and graph on the screen, the preschool or the 4 to 6 group is the second to the least group in the population count, having a percentage of 3.96%. Next are the ages 1 to 3 or the toddler ages, which took 4.6%, followed by the childhood years ranging from 7 to 9 years old, or 6.15% of the total population. So these statistics also show that the total number of reproductive ages ranges from 14 to 45 years old is the greatest, with a total of 635 counts, having a percentage rate of 51.37%. Moreover, with a result of 51.37% for the reproductive age group, the dependency ratio is also considered, meaning 48.62% of the population is dependent and 51.37% is of independent age. More than half of the total population in the area is of reproductive age, which puts the region at risk of overpopulation in the future compared to infants and children. Regarding gender, a higher number of males suggests that male activities are more prevalent than female groups. Additionally, the community appears to be secure, assertive, and more masculine, reflecting the characteristics of the dominant gender group. So the next slide will be discussed by Miss Ang.
So hello guys, nakaligo na jud ko. And it's already ano na bang time? 4:05 na sa hapon. Yeah, bago na naman ang klase. Karon kay naguba man ang charger sa akong phone. So palit ko og new charger, and since nagatipid tago sa tagbarato sa mato karon sa Mr. DIY. But before taman ako mag-get ready with Miss ako. So yes, see you guys later. Thank you, Eto.